So the roadshows are an integral part of our preparation to go to Hawaii for FestPAC. It's an opportunity for us as co-heads of delegation to get to know our artists, our ringatoi. It's an opportunity for them to get to know us, to do the preparation, to lay the groundwork, and to make sure that when we go, we're part of one whānau, that we go together, that we're on the same waka, and that we understand all of our roles and responsibilities while we're away.
Kawe atu rā ngā mātanga kōrero o ia tangata o ia tangata. Ngā mahi uku, ngā mahi wakahaurua, ngā mahi whakaero, ngā mahi rārangi rānei, ngā mahi paita rānei. E kawe atu rā o mātau, o rātau mātanga kōrero, o rātau mātanga i roti o rātau mahi toi.
We are making history every single day of our lives. However, with FestPAC, we are making history for our mokopuna. So the mahi that our creatives, that our artists, our ringatoi will bring to FestPAC will provide opportunity for sharing mātauranga, for bringing our excellence back into the Pacific and to work with our whānau of the Pacific, to explore and to build upon the mātauranga that we already have.
We're all going with different roles, we're all going with different art forms. For us co-heads of delegation, it's about being there to represent Aotearoa in the official capacity, but where possible making sure that those opportunities are available to our artists, making sure that we're there for our ringatoi when we're on the ground, that we're there for their pastoral care, we're there to meet their needs, we're there to respond to any of the issues that they may have, along with our kaimahi from Toi Aotearoa. And it's just important for our ringatoi to know that they're there as representatives, they're our ambassadors. It's one of the rare opportunities for the people from Te Moana Nui a Kiwa to come together in unity, in collaboration, in understanding of what the issues are facing our people across the Pacific. Climate change, health issues, all those education issues, the opportunity to learn and to grow in our cultural expression and artistic expression. They're identifiers, they help us to remember who we are, where we've come from, what our tupuna have sacrificed to enable us to be who we are, and what we can do to make sure our mokopuna have the same opportunities.